Today, I'm going to teach you how to combine clips in DaVinci Resolve using the compound clip feature. This is incredibly useful when you want to group multiple clips together and treat them as a single unit, making your timeline cleaner and easier to manage. First, go ahead and open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll see your project interface ready to go. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll be working with your video clips and timeline. The Edit tab is where most of your cutting, trimming, and organizing happens, so getting familiar with it is essential. Next, you'll need to select the clips you want to combine. To do this, click on your first clip to select it. Now here's the trick for selecting multiple clips at once. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while keeping it pressed, click on each additional clip you want to include in your compound clip. You'll see each clip become highlighted as you select it. This method allows you to grab as many clips as you need without having to drag a selection box, giving you precise control over which clips get combined. Once you've got all your clips selected, right-click on any of the selected clips. This brings up a context menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on New Compound Clip. This option is what transforms your separate clips into one unified compound clip that you can move and edit as a single piece. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your compound clip. Go ahead and input a descriptive name that helps you identify what this compound clip contains. Maybe something like interview sequence or montage clips, whatever makes sense for your project. After you've typed in your name, click Create. DaVinci Resolve will then process your selection and create the compound clip. And that's it. Your multiple clips are now combined into one compound clip on your timeline. This makes it much easier to move things around, apply effects to multiple clips at once, or simply keep your workspace organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.